Will your capital be safe in balance advantage fund? What are the benefits of balance advantage fund? Is your capital secured under balance advantage fund? To clarify such doubts, we have our investment expert Mr. Satish Prabhu with us. Satish, help us understand the properties of balance advantage fund.
Even when you rebalance, you still have an equity component. So wherever you have an equity, so any asset class for that matter can give negative returns. I've told you that debt as an asset class, NAVs fall when interest rates rise. When NAVs fall, your returns are negative. Similarly, even if equities anyway, they are more volatile. So when you combine the two NAVs, there is no guarantee that your fund cannot give negative returns. So the moment you have NAVs in a fund, negative returns are bound to happen. It can be lesser negative returns. So the advantage of a balanced advantage fund is that it will give you lesser negative return. Asset allocation, remember, does not prevent you from getting negative returns. So if that is what people are thinking, that is not the case. Asset allocation does not guarantee you only positive returns. It can give you lesser negative returns than a core portfolio of equities. Similarly, a balanced advantage fund. Asset allocation takes care of the risk and manages the returns. It gives you a lesser risk for a given amount of return. And the way to look at it is that it can give you lesser negative returns. It doesn't promise you to give you no negative returns. So whether it's a balanced advantage fund or any other asset allocation fund, negative returns cannot be ruled out, but you can aim for lesser negative returns. What do you mean by lesser negative returns? It means giving you returns at a lower risk. So that is the answer.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.